get started. Well, hello Renegade. So I'm glad to see all of you. Just you're almost finished our first stage, and well, let's describe what you need to do in this week. For this week, you need to complete firstly cross-check regarding Bookshop week 2. Also, need to finish task like test regarding responsive and Flexbox. And I noticed that Evgeny already did it. Also, for this week, you have task online Zoo week 3. It's for creating adaptive, like responsive layout for pages which you created in online Zoo week 1 and week 2 also. For this task, requirements for repository, it's the same. It means like you need to create a branch from online Zoo as name as online Zoo part 3. Well, you need just to rewrite your markup. Write your markup as adaptive, like it should be responsive to mobile view. And I guess here describe recommendation to perform this task. Please read all of this description regarding how to complete week 3. And I want to remind that next week you will have tasks which I will describe next week. Also, it's time to our test screening, and I'm preparing mentors for all of you. I'm glad that you didn't lose your motivation to learning and studying. So that's all of you who show, I guess 14 students will get a mentor, and working with mentor, I will describe it next week, just for your reminder. Guess it's all for this week, which I wanted to describe. Do you have a question? Yeah, go ahead.
Well, hello again. I got a question about our adaptive layout. So we've got several breakpoints, 1000 pixels, and so on. I wanted to clarify if they are optional, all of them, because
yeah, you're right. Like if you already read these requirements, it's just for like recommendation, which how it should looks like.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, just firstly read technical requirements. So if you will have a question, so write in a Discord channel, and I will try to answer. Just make like, if I'm not mistaken, here already describe how to understand, is it responsible layout or not. Just use DevTools to check. So then make it adaptive for any sizes, any view.
When we read starting from maximum 1,600, if I'm not mistaken, to 320 pixels. So if our layout is the same as at Figma at several stages, small desktop, not laptop, but tablet and mobile. But actually, real breakpoints when our layout becomes fixed. For instance, when we get burger menu instead of navigation panel from.
Yeah, and here already described like you can use JavaScript to change navbar to burger menu.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Could you please explain more about our interview?
Yes. So next week I will provide the link how to prepare for this text screening. Like it's not a simple interview, just a text screening to get a mentor.
Okay.
Yeah, just firstly, just focus only on our week assignments. So just step by step, it shouldn't be difficult for you to pass this text screening. And just I will just mentors know that you're junior, like it's only 3 months, almost 3 months when you started to learn developing. So that's why it's not be so hard. And I guess it will be quite easy for you to pass this text screening.
Also, do we have some break between the stages, or will we continue without break?
Just I guess if you complete your text screening before the deadline, you will have a couple of days to break. So then we'll start second stage. So immediately, just because we have 7 months to complete all of these requirements, all of these tasks to be a junior as soon as possible. That's why just should focus for learning.
Okay. I mean,
yeah.
Maybe New Year celebration time or Christmas celebration time.
I know, but it's a really good time to focus for studying because you don't have a job that time. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
I would like to ask if mentors are only given to people from Turkey or from people from other countries also?
I mentioned that people who in the list like 14, like around 15 students, yeah, will get a mentor. It doesn't matter where are you right now.
Okay, thank you.
From Turkey and other country, doesn't matter.
And I have one more question about the next stage and the first practical assignment. As it comes from the schedule, the second stage started in the end of December. Will we have any coding assignments for the holiday time? or the first assignment will be in January?
Just as you can see, like I will move this week 12 for a couple of days after this deadline, like because you really need to have a time. And just we, if I'm not mistaken, you mentioned just some coding, yeah?
Yeah, coding large projects like online Zoo and so on.
Well, like if I'm not mistaken, second stage focus only JavaScript to work with them, like and also you will start a huge task like a REST clone, like it's cloned in different pages. So and also huge task regarding, if I'm mistaken, like for your vision. This means that you will create your own huge task with a team, like you will collaborate with the other students. But I don't provide any information regarding coding, like we will do using our schedule, our roadmap. So just focus on it. I will add it each week, like don't do a task in the future.
Okay. I just wanted to clarify that because I was thinking of taking a break for a week or two during the holidays. So I hope there won't be any large coding project that time.
No. It will be like for week assignments. Just you can complete it quickly as you can. So
Okay,
no
great.
huge task for that time. Yeah. Anyone else?
Everything will be same, yeah. Like our first stage, yeah. Scoring and platform, everything will be continue, yeah.
No. Second stage, if I'm not mistaken, will be only GitHub. Like you will create a huge project in GitHub, and Mentor will check your code. Like you will create the pull request, and Mentor will review your merge request and count the point.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for that time, like in second stage, you will have time with working, with collaborating with Mentor. You can ask any question regarding how to create something, and it depends on Mentor. He will create some of, like once a week, create a meeting with the mentees, and there you can discuss with him. Regarding interviews, like as you can see, at the end of the first stage, you have a interview with a mentor. The time period, you will have a technical screening to get a mentor. If you successfully pass it, you will get a mentor. Well, I guess that's all. So, any details regarding our technical interviewing, I will talk about it next week. So, and I will provide all information there. So thank you for joining. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yeah, regarding week 12, just I I think that I will move it for 1 week. Just I need to clarify it. Just I can provide information about that. Just focus only week 10.
Okay.
Yeah, if you have a question, just don't forget to write in our Discord channel. Thank you.